Claim: Hotmail founder Sabir Bhatia claims government is spending 60 crore rupees per Vande Bharat train inauguration. Fact check. The claim is going viral on social media. On 14th August 2025, celebrity figure and formerly Hotmail founder Sabir Bhatia, using his ex-handle, Sabir, with more than 27,800 followers, has made a claim regarding the Vande Bharat train inaugurations. The post reads, Vande Bharat train cost 120 to 140 rupees crore. Ticket, 1,400 to 3,000 rupees. Inauguration cost, 60 crore rupees. Mera Bharat Mahan. Find the tweet here. This criticism implies wasteful spending on inaugurations related to train costs and fares. It also comes amid an increasing number of Vande Bharat trains being inaugurated by PM Narendra Modi. Fact check. Truth: misleading. There is no proof to show that the government is spending 60 crore rupees on each inauguration, while an RTI information, backed by news reports, revealed that not more than 2.5 crore rupees was spent in 2023. Fact check details. Digit India decided to investigate this claim upon request on its WhatsApp tipline and discovered that it is rather misleading. The production cost of a Vande Bharat train costs around 115 crore rupees as per a report in the New Indian Express. However, there is no proof to justify that the government spends around 60 crore rupees on each inauguration of Vande Bharat trains reported by the audited data. When asked in the comments section of the post as to what was the source of this information, Sabir Bhatia replied, social media. This reflects a lack of confidence in the source, indicating that the claim remains vague without substantial evidence. Check the screenshot above. We then conducted a keyword search with phrases like Vande Bharat inauguration cost for empirical evidence. Extensive web searches revealed that the figure is too high, and finally our team could trace to an official RTI data from Indian Railways. The data information documented such event costs ranging from 0.52 crore rupees to 2.5 crore rupees per launch way back in 2019, which was pre-COVID era. Another report published by the National Herald on 13th July 2023 mentions how 5.6 crore rupees was spent on 4 Vande Bharat train inaugurations. This clearly contradicts the claim made by the user, who suggests that 60 crore rupees was being spent on a single inauguration. View a snippet from the article here. Another specific breakdown of a Vande Bharat train inauguration comes from a report published by the Financial Express. Specific breakdowns include 1.14 crore rupees for the Chennai-Coimbatore launch in April 2023, paid to Evoke Media for event management. View a section of the article here. In a similar fashion, a report published by the Times of India on 15th July 2023 mentions that 1.48 crore rupees was spent for the Thiruvananthapuram-Kasaragod Vande Bharat. The report also states that 2.5 crore rupees was spent for the inauguration of the Puri-Howrah Vande Bharat on 18th May 2023. View a section from the report here. Thus, evidence from RTIs and reports proves the 60 crore rupees is far-fetched to be true, as the actual cost is far less at around 2.5 crore rupees in 2023. Hence, the claim is misleading. Claim: while the cost of a Vande Bharat train is 120 rupees to 140 crore rupees, the government of India is spending around 60 crore rupees on inauguration. Conclusion: misleading. There is no proof to show that the government is spending 60 crore rupees on each inauguration, while an RTI information, backed by news reports, revealed that not more than 2.5 crore rupees was spent in 2023. Rating: misleading. The claim is misleading. Thank you for visiting us, digiti.in. Subscribe to our channel, Digit India.